Before we get started, I want to say thank you for 300 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough, and I can't wait to continue growing. Hello, welcome to this new series where I turn $10 to $1,000. I'm your host, Willie. Now, technically, this is still Morris Money, but this is more of the Morris Money Happy Hour show because this series is all risk and no management. Now, let me give you a quick backstory. Gambling takes a lot of money and risk, and it always doesn't guarantee a payoff. But let me tell you a gamble that guarantees a payoff without any risk or money. Subscribing to Morris Money. A couple weeks ago, I thought it'd be interesting to invest $100 into risky stocks and swing trade them with positions only lasting a few days, a week max maybe. My first investment was $30 into WNFT, and if you know about WNFT, well, you know why I lost 80% of my investment. After that crushing defeat, like the sensible investor I try to be, I didn't think it would make sense to invest that other $70. This is when this series came to mind. Would I be able to turn this small sum of $6 into a potential fortune? Well, we'll find out every week what I'm investing in, what I bought, what I sold, and potentially what I'm holding. To end the inaugural episode, I want to tell you guys what I've done this week. Obviously, I started off by buying WNFT with $30 and walked away with $6. The next trade was VRM. If you pay attention, I made a video on VRM a while ago, and I walked away with a grand total of $9. Not too bad. Finally, I invested into biotech stock ADIL, bringing the final principal for next week to $3. Yes, you heard that correct. Give or take, I lost 60% of the money for this challenge in one position. But this is what makes this challenge interesting. Originally, I was up around 15% on ADIL, but bad PR resulted in the stock tanking. This obviously puts us in a worse position than we were with WNFT. We now have $3 walking into next week, but I'm not going to let this discourage us. I think this gives us a great cliffhanger for next week and gives me a lot of time to do some research and look at different stocks I might want to invest in for next week, because quite honestly, we need a miracle for these $3. I hope the series will be as entertaining for you as it is for me. Obviously, losing 60% of your position is never fun, and honestly, if we're keeping track right now, we're down 90%. We went from $30 to $3, but I think that's what can make this series so interesting. We're constantly going to be looking at the market and finding stocks that we can invest in to hopefully make a large profit and hopefully not tank the account anymore. But can we do it? Will we become accredited investors, or will we go broke? Time will tell. Please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money's Turning $10 to $1,000 Challenge.